Hello everyone, this is problem number 14. In this problem, we are going to discuss about the code to compare two strings. Means if string 1 and we will check the string 1 and string 2, their equality, and if string 1 is greater than string 2 or string 2 is greater than string 1, then in that case, we need to complete this code using without using standard string library, right? So we are not going to use this that hash include string.h. Without using that, we are going to solve this problem. In this, we are given with some of the test cases like small letters A, B, C, then capital letters A, B, C. Then in that case, the output should be string 1 is greater than string 2. One thing I would like to tell you that the decision when that string 1 is greater than string 2 is taken on the basis of those ASCII values, right? Because small letters ABC starts from 97 and goes up till 122 ASCII value, and capital letters ABC starts from 65 and goes up till 90, right? So on the basis of those ASCII values, it is printing us the result. And the second test case is ABCD, and ABCD strings are equal. ABCD and small ABCD string 1 is less than string 2. And in the fourth test case, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, then in that case, it should print strings are equal. Right. So let us code for this problem. For that, I am using hash include IOStream, and then using namespace std, and then I'm going to create one function. That function is doing what? That function is giving me the output, that is the strings are equal, or string 1 is greater than string 2, or string 1 is less than string 2. That output it is going to show me. So for that, I'm using check relation, and then I'm going to declare one string of string 1 and string of string 2. Right. Here, what I'll check that if string 1 is greater than string 2. In that case, what it needs to print? It needs to print that cout string uh, string 1 is greater than string 2, right? This it needs to print. And then else if we need to check that if string 1 is less than string 2, in that case it needs to print cout string 1 is less than string 2, right? And after this it should print handle, and after here also we are going to use handle, right? And if both these conditions are false, then in that case it should print the else statement, which is strings are equal, strings are equal, right? Here also full stop and full stop. Yes. So this is one function we have made, that function to check the relation between string 1 and string 2, right? Now we need to write our main function, which is int main, and within this main function we are going to declare these strings of string 1 comma string 2, right? And then we need to take the input from the user of string 1 comma and string 2, right? And after this we need to call that function check relation, and in this we need to pass these two parameters, which are string 1 comma string 2, right? Now let us run this code. So I'm pressing F11 for compiling and executing both. Now here in the first test case, we are given with small ABC and capital ABC. String 1 is greater than string 2, and this is the same statement we want on our console screen, right? And let us move towards the second case. For second case, let me write capital A B C D and capital A B C D. Strings are equal, right? So this is the same output we want on our console screen. Now let us check for the test case 3. Here the first A B C D and then A B C D. String 1 is less than string 2. Yes, our code is working perfectly, and let us write for the second statement. Okay, this has become wrong. F10 1 2 3, then 1 2 3. Strings are equal, right? Means our code is working perfectly. So this was the simple code for this problem statement, right? Thank you.